Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Desilawati, NPM 2441210 from EKT 2024 class. Here I will explain the material regarding elasticity of demand. Before going into the material, we need to know what elasticity is. Elasticity is in an indicator that measures how responsive the quantity of demand and supply change to one of the determining factor. Elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand is the degree of sensitivity caused by change in the price of goods, resulting in change in the quantity of goods demanded. The measurement of demand elasticity is the level of the elasticity coefficient. Elasticity of demand is also defined as the ratio of the percentage change in the quantity of a good demanded to the percentage change in the price of the good itself. Factor that determine the price elasticity of demand. Typical consumer buy more good when: first, the level of ability of other good to replace the good in question. Second, percentage of income that will be spent on purchasing certain item. Third, time period within which the request was analyzed. Calculating the coefficient of elasticity of demand. The coefficient of elasticity of demand is mathematically formulated as follows. Elasticity coefficient of demand equals change in demand by change in price. Formula elasticity of demand. ED equals delta Q by delta P times P by Q. Information. ED is demand elasticity coefficient. Delta P is price change. Delta Q change in quantity demands. Q is initial request amount. P is initial price. Types of elasticity at greater than 1. Inelastic demand that has an elasticity coefficient of more than 1 is elastic. This means that the percentage change in price is smaller than the percent change in quantity demand. In other words, there will be a change in the quantity of goods demanded in large quantities if there is a slight change in price. We can see this calculation in the following example. Application example at greater than 1. France saw shop at the end of the year carries out warehouse clearance for all types of sauce from children to adult sauce. The price of children sauce, which was original 20,000, has dropped to 15,000. A result of the price reduction, the number of children's sauce demanded increased from 1,000 to 4,000. So, the elasticity coefficient can be calculated as follows. Formula. ED equals delta Q by delta P times P by Q. Delta Q. 4,000 minus 1,000 divided by 15,000 minus 20,000 times P 20,000 by Q 1,000. 4,000 minus 1,000 is 3,000. 15,000 minus 20,000 is minus 5,000. 20,000 divided 1,000 is 20. So, 3,000 divided by minus 5,000 times 20 equals minus 12. Explanation. We can see that the results show negative values. However, this negative values is incorrect in calculating the elasticity coefficient. The value of the source demand coefficient is 12. This means that a 1% change in price causes a 12% change in demand. Second, the elastic request. ED less than 1. Demand that has an elasticity coefficient of less than 1 inelastic. This means that the percentage change in price in greater than the percentage change in quantity demanded. In other words, large change in price are not accompanied by significant change in quantity demands. Application example. In traditional market, the price of local orange has increased from 6,000 to 7,000 kg. The price increase result in demand for local orange falling from 700 kg to 650 kg. The calculation of the elasticity coefficient is
Formula AD equals delta K by delta P times P by Q. Delta K 650 minus 700 is minus 50. Delta P 7,000 minus 6,000 is 1,000. 6,000 divided by 500 is 12. Minus 50 divided by 100 is minus 0.05. 0.05 times 12 equals minus 0.6.
so ID less than 1.
So we can see the elastic demand curve AD is less than 1.
Short unitary elastic demand ED equals 1. Demand that has an elasticity coefficient equals to 1 is unitary elastic demand. This means that the percentage change in price is equals to the percentage change in quantity demand. Application example. The price of a drone from 700,000 fell to 630,000, so the demand for drone rose the 11,000 from 10,000, so the calculation of the elasticity coefficient is. The calculation method is the same as the previous example, but what show the type of unitary elastic demand is visible from the last result. We can see here that the result is minus 1, so that means the AD coefficient is equals to 1. For perfectly inelastic demand, ED equals 0. Demand that has a coefficient number equal to 0 is perfectly inelastic. Application example. AD equals 0. In the traditional market of city, price change every week, namely around 4,000 to 6,000. However, the demand is always the same, namely 1 ton every week. The calculation of the elasticity coefficient is. So, demand has coefficient number equals to 0. This means that change in price have no effect at all on quantity demanded. Just like in this example, price change have no effect on demand as long as it is the same, namely 1 ton every Sunday. So that all the material regarding demand elasticity, hopefully it's useful for all of you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.